Hey my beautiful shining stars, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day, not whatever it may be. Know that you're awesome and amazing, and I'm so glad you clicked on this video. If you are not a part of the beautiful Shining Star family, we would love to have you, so go ahead and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more of this. Summer is in full swing here in Alaska, and you guys, Alaska has the most gorgeous summers. It is the land of the midnight sun. It is literally, what time? What time is it? What time is it? It's summertime. It is 7:50 p.m. and the sun is shining and is gorgeous. And I am super stoked because once again, I am partnering with Fabfitfun. For those of y'all who don't know who Fabfitfun is, it is a subscription box and it comes in, we got their fall box, we got their winter box and spring box, and now they've sent me their summer box and it looks absolutely amazing. And I thought we'd have some fun today because I love sharing things that I get excited about and things I enjoy. I've loved every box that I've gotten thus far, and I thought it would be really cool if in this video we did a question and answer, so Q&A. So I just posted on my Insta for you guys to send me in some questions, and they're already coming in, and I'm super stoked because I want you guys to get to know me outside of the like character looks that I do. And it's just been pretty crazy being full-time mommy. It's been awesome. But I want to start getting back into filming in videos like this and my tutorials. But yeah, yo. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing and Q&A. So from Ruby, any good advice, books besides the Bible that you recommend to read to help the youth? And the one that I could think of right off the top of my head would be my girl Chelsea's book. Chelsea's also here on YouTube. She was in the Nick Space Awards with me, and she wrote a book, Your Own Beautiful, and it's basically her story, and she has like bits and pieces of advice in there and her testimony. So that's one I definitely recommend for young ladies out there. But yeah, Chelsea used to be Chelsea Crockett, now Chelsea Hurst. And the second thing I think of is Lisa Bevere. She's my favorite speaker, and she has a ton of books. Off the top of my head, Kiss the Girls That Made Them Cry, Lioness Arising, Fight Like a Girl. All of those books I feel are super encouraging and helpful, especially for young ladies, and I recommend them to the girls that I minister to as well. So yeah, yo. So I'm going to be diving into the box now, and I first want to say that I absolutely love the packaging for this box. I love the tropical print that they have going on up in his ear. And they carry on that tropical print on the inside with the pink and the palm branches and the flowers. So the first thing you see while opening the box is the Fabfitfun Magazine, which I think is awesome because there's a bunch of different articles in here on health, beauty, fashion, and the first thing you see is Eva Longoria's beautiful face, and I guess they're honoring her. She's a hashtag boss ladies. And I love this, you guys, because I really believe that real beauty comes from within, and they talk about the different charities that they're working with to educate young girls. It shows Eva here visiting girls in Central America, helping out with a food drive. Yes, love it. And then they also have different summertime recipes like chia jam, summer fruit popsicles, and cherry lime yogurt bar. Also like cool workout routines to keep your body fit and fabulous this summer. So the next question is from Panessa, and she says, I just had my first baby 2 weeks ago. How hard was it your first month? Or was it even hard for you? And if so, please tell me it gets better. I've been praying over my little one and for myself because these few days have been so hard for us both. Thank you for being you. Love from Orange County. Orange County, California. I love it. Panessa, yes. To be real, it was hard. And I think that for me, I already had it in my mind, like preparing for like the worst and the hardest. So it was hard, but it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. The thing that got me the most was realizing you do not get sleep being a new mom, and also being in the NICU for a week with my baby was really hard. Not having him latch on correctly and not having my milk come in was difficult stuff, but it does get better. It got better for me. Prayer definitely helped. Also, just the internet, I believe it could be used for for bad, but it also could be used for good. It was used for good for me because I was able to look up different questions that I had that I just couldn't figure out. And there's so many different mom forums and websites that give advice for new mommies with whatever you're struggling with. But I will definitely keep you and your little bundle of joy in my prayers. And that's what I think about with Lyric, is that no matter what we were going through, he is ultimately my little bundle of joy and a huge blessing in my life. So this too shall pass, mama. Seeing some of the other questions, it just gets me excited seeing like the mom questions, because I am finally a mom and it just makes me so happy. Okay, diving back into the box. Woo! All right. The first thing my eye is drawn to is this colorful little bottle. Ooh, Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. Oh yes, this stuff smells like a tropical paradise. It is a moisturizing shower cream gel, leaving your skin super soft and irresistibly smooth. Yeah, baby. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. Tropical. The next thing is Invisibubble, like invisible. The Traceless Hair Ring Original. Traceless, high-wearing comfort, hair-loving updo tool. Ooh! Oh, I'm about those high buns and high ponytails. I don't know if you guys saw one of my recent posts on Instagram of me doing like the red jasmine look from the original Aladdin, going to go see the new Aladdin, and I love high ponytails. If I had thicker hair, I feel like I could rock it more, but I feel like this hair ring would give me that high pony that I'm looking for. So I can't wait to try this out. Something cool that Jacob just mentioned is that Fabfitfun is now shipping to the UK. So all my UK family, what? Get some Fabfitfun on. Okay, so for the next question, Charis, I'm a huge fan of your channel on YouTube, and I always get excited when you reply to my comments. Aw, you are truly an outstanding young woman. Thank you for calling me young. My question is for you. Number 1, have you ever been to the South or any part of Alabama? 2, how did you know Jacob was a 1? 3, who do you think your inner Disney princess personality is closely like? Because personally, I'd say all of them, because you are a true Disney princess. God bless you. I love you. KSD 1997. Sweet home Alabama. So I think we went through Alabama when we did like a tour with the nonprofit organization that we work with, TGM. This Generation Ministers, but it was just driving through. We've been to Florida, which I absolutely love, Georgia, but yeah. My baby's staring at me. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. He's just looking at me. How did I know Jacob was the one? Honestly, it's hard to put it in the nutshell. He was everything that I had prayed for. On the outside, physically attractive, yes, but more importantly, on the inside, he was a man of nobility, of honor, a man of the word, a worshiper. These are things that I specifically prayed for, and I want to toss it to our love story here on YouTube because that kind of shares everything. But yeah, when he proposed to me at Disneyland, we had never dated before. We were just super good, close friends. But I knew in my heart that he was the one. Like, I just had that peace in my heart that this one was sent by God, you know what I'm saying? But again, you guys could check out the love story for more of that. And who do you think your inner Disney princess personality is closely to? I want to say Snow White because she is like the most kind-hearted, servanthood. She baked a pie for her hater. You know, she prayed for her hater. Like, to me, that's what I want my personality to be like, I guess, or more so my heart. But personality-wise, I think probably like Princess Anna and Rapunzel. I feel like they're like carefree, fun, and kind of silly. I feel like I resonate probably my personality-wise like that, I think. But you guys could let me know what you guys think my personality is like in the comment section below. This is just what's coming to my head right now. Also for skin, we have 111 Skin, Harley Street, London. And this is a rose gold brightening facial treatment mask. Y'all know I love me some good facial masks. And this one's big on hydrating, moisturizing, brightening, and firming the face. Ooh. Next question. This one is from Miss Sarah XR, and she asks, has it been hard transitioning with Lyric? Do you and Jacob feel like being new parents is a constant challenge in the best way, or have you guys eased into it fairly well? So I think it's a mixture of both, because like having a new life within your life is like, obviously it's gonna change things a lot, but I feel it's changed us for the better. But as far as like the day in, day out schedule, it has been a little bit difficult to adapt to, but at the same way, like I like it. I like being able to wake up and, you know, have my baby in my arms, or even like right now I'm outside and I have his little play set up, and we just like lounged on the grass today. And it's cool because Jacob got a new job as well. So he goes to work, and he works like at 8 to 5, and I stay home with Lyric and do like social media stuff as well. It is at times challenging, but it has been the best thing ever at the same time, if you know what I mean. Back to the box, we have Generation Clay, and this is ultraviolet brightening purple clay masks, and this one refines, brightens, and illuminates. I am loving that the box is jam-packed of goodies for treating the skin and loving on the skin for the summertime. We also have Wish Powerfully Effective Naturals. This one's with coconut milk, and it is exfoliating foot mask, which is really good because in the summertime, you guys know you want to have some bare feet up in the summertime. And living here in Alaska, we have a lot of dryness. So I don't know if you've ever had it where the bottom of your foot gets kind of like hard and callous. This seems like it would be good for that because it soothes and softens and has intense hydration. Oh yeah. So it has a really clean coconutty scent to it. And I love it. It smells good. Oh, and we got another Sol de Janeiro product. And this is, again, love it, flaunt it, you got it. This is fast absorbing body cream that helps tighten and smooth like no other. Brazilian bum bum cream. Brazilian bum bum cream, that's what it says. And it smells just like the body wash. Oh, super good. So after you're done washing, you can put this stuff on. Smells so good. Guarana, infused with all-powerful guarana extract. This one is intelligent nutrients, plant stem cell science, and this is a refining micro polish that smooths and exfoliates. Superfine treatment gently sweeps away dull surface cells and purifies pores for all skin types. Hi, baby. Hi, honey. Bunny, hop, 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 little bunny, hop, 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 little bunny, hop, 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 little bunny, hop and stop. So our next question is from Real Life Snow White, and Snow White is my favorite princess, by the way. And her question is, tips to keeping a healthy and long-lasting marriage. You and Jacob are perfect. Oh, I love you, beautiful. Jacob and I are definitely not perfect, but I believe that we are perfect for each other. And so I just want to be real and honest with you guys, and the best tip I could give that has been the greatest thing for Jacob and I in our marriage and keeping our marriage long lasting and healthy has been to put Jesus first in our lives. And I'm saying this because Jacob and I we've been married for 10 years now, and in that 10 years we have faced seriously challenging hardships that could have just split Jacob and I apart. But because we clung to Jesus individually and together, it has helped us through the hardest of hardships and made us come through those even stronger. So what does that look like daily for me? I make it a point to try my hardest to spend time in prayer and in worship and in the Word. And I feel like when I spend that time getting closer to God, it helps every single relationship that I have, especially my relationship with Jacob, because I feel in those times I am able to get closer and take on those characteristics of Jesus. And when I think about that, I think about being joyful, think about being selfless, and I think about being caring and loving. I feel like there's so much more I could say about this, and if you guys want me to make a dedicated video, I totally can. But in a nutshell, that's what has made Jacob and I's marriage so strong. So with that, also communication is key. Make sure that you're communicating with each other. Make sure you're taking time daily to tell each other that you love each other, and just lavishing that love on one another and doing something for the other person. Like, I know in this day and age, it's like all about me, and like self-love. That is important, but when you're in a marriage, you need to be able to, the things that you would love to have lavished upon you, lavish upon the other person. And I feel like just showing those acts of love is really healthy. Next up, we have some jewelry, and this is from Jennifer Zuner Jewelry. And let's see what we got here. Oh my gosh, how pretty. You guys, I love this because first and foremost for jewelry, I always go gold. Like, I lean towards more of the gold colors. Even my ring that I got on here that Jacob got for me, I wanted gold. So you guys know that I love stars and I love the gold color, and there's two pretty stars on there. Oh, so beautiful. And we have some makeup, and you guys know I love makeup. And this is an eyeliner from Ico London. I do liquid liner, line and enhance in black. Ooh, it's pitch black and waterproof, so it doesn't move even on the waterline. Oh yeah. Glides on beautifully. Very, very nice. So this is Grace and Stila's Spray All Day, and this is their rose spray for hydrating rose facial spray. So you just give it your face after you or before you apply your makeup. And of course, it smells like roses. Beautiful. I love it. Okay, so my last question is from Sophie's Life XO, and it is, do you want another baby or more than 2 kids? I miss your vlogs on YouTube. Aw, so Sophie's Life XO. Yes, I definitely want more children, whether I have them naturally or whether I adopt. I love, love, love kids, and Lyric has been such a blessing. So at some point, we are definitely going to add on to the Lincoln clan. So that is it for my FabFitFun unboxing Q&A. If you guys want to get a FabFitFun box, they are $49.99, but they have over $200 worth in value inside of the box. And if you want to get your first one, you can get $10 off if you use my discount code, which is STAR. But yeah, I feel like it's a really good value, and I love sharing these unboxings with you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below and what videos you would like to see me do next. And remember, you are beautiful, baby, so shine like a star. Mwah!